Hello guys and welcome to class. Yes, it's a class and this is Essengees Cook Bakehouse. So we'll make delicious meal and mouth-watering baked foods. Okay, today we are cooking. Yeah, we're cooking today. And guess what? We're making sweet potatoes porridge. Yes, one pot sweet potato porridge. Simple ingredients but amazing outcome. Like you want to prepare yours immediately you watch this video. Okay, here's our recipe. Let's get started. We have scent leaf, very important. Yes, you have your scent leaf, fresh scent leaf. I understand that scent leaf is actually scarce in this dry season, but you don't know where you don't want to know where I went to get this. It took me a whole lot of time, but I just have to get because it's very important for this recipe. Okay, and that is that we have chopped onions, finely diced onions. Yes, we're making use of onions. And we have crayfish. Oh my, see how beautiful this crayfish is. So just blend the crayfish and you're fine. You're good to go. And we're making use of salt. Actually, you don't need salt, but some persons want to use salt. Okay, so yes, a pinch of salt. We're making use of stock cubes. Yes, stock cube is here. And here is your potato. You want to cut the after peeling, cut it in big chunks. You don't want to dice it. For this recipe, please don't dice it. Make it big chunks, kind of. Okay. And we have the palm oil. Yes. One way to know if you have a very good palm oil is when your palm oil settles in two settlements. You can see this. When you have something like this, just know you have a very nice oil. Good oil. Did you see that? Okay. Now we have making use of water. Of course, water, but we actually don't need a tank of water for this meal. Just a little bit. Then we're making use of pepper, fresh pepper, grated. If you watch my unboxing video, you see when I unboxed this. It was actually nice. It helped me grate my pepper very fast and it's manual. You don't need electric. You don't need electric to operate this. Okay, so we have that, and of course the fish is here. Oh, yum 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 yum, beautiful. Okay, so you need smoked fish, and mackerel is nice, and this also you can see this. Just make sure I actually got this fresh, like they were still smoking it when I went and I bought it. Okay, nice fish. Okay, ready? Let's get started. Okay, so into your clean pot, just add the potatoes, add in some water. You don't need so much water. The water should not cover your potatoes, please. And okay, so add in your fresh pepper. Add in the onions. Add in your crayfish. I'll be adding all. Then okay, so I'm adding in my stock cubes now. Just make sure you're cooking on a moderate heat, not too low, not too high. Okay, so a moderate heat is fine. So stir together. You can see the water is not much, just kind of halfway the level of the potatoes. So I'm going to add part of the smoked fish to it. Just like half of the smoked fish you'll be using. And allow to cook. Okay, so once your potato is halfway cooked, you want to add in your oil, your palm oil. I'm trying to stir this oil. So add in your oil. Don't need much. Then add in the remaining part of the fish. Okay, please remember to debone your fish and wash, kind of rinse it. Okay, so allow this cook. So add in the scent leaf. You don't really need much, so that you don't turn it to scent leaf porridge. Okay. Whoa, isn't this beautiful? So you allow it to cook. So your potatoes are really, really, really soft. Cook on low heat at this time. Cover it up. Okay, so here we go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so just tear it careful so that our fish does not scatter beyond recognition. Okay, you can save this. Oh my, this is beautiful. Being careful. I don't want all the whole fish to scatter. Okay. Okay, and it's ready, 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 ready. I didn't add salt because the stock cube I added was enough and the taste of the fish was just perfect. So no need for. So we are good. Look at this. Oh my. Mmm. Amazing taste, I tell you. So, so delicious. Oh my, see how beautiful this is. Come, let's eat together. Let's enjoy the sweet potatoes porridge. Yeah. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for always being there for your girl. Bye bye.